Now the recording has started. The today's topic or continuously we are focusing only on unit number 1 up till at lecture. So in this series we are going to see what is quality, because the testing is applied to maintain the quality in the product. But when we say we have to test something to achieve the quality, before that we all should have idea about what exactly quality is, right? What exactly quality is. To see the quality, let us see the different points which you can see on your screen. Is it fact or perception? When we ask the question, what is quality? Is it fact or perception? Baba hai satya ki aabhas, right? No. Quality is fitness for use. Quality is fitness for use. Conformance to specification. Quality means delivering products that meet customer standards, either as defined by customer or defined by normal uses or by some national or international bodies. Okay, some points that you can see over here. Quality is not a perception, quality is a fact that we want, right? Quality is not perception, quality, we want the quality. But what is quality? Quality means keep the things which we want to use, it should be fit, it should be fit. If we compare the quality issue with human being, then we want to use my body. I want to use my body for different activities. In that case, there is a requirement. My body should be fit. Should be fit. It means what? Under different dimension, it should meet some parameters. It should be tested on that parameter and it should be passed that test. Suppose I want to climb a mountain. I want to climb mountain. What is this? This is the use that I want to perform from my body. I want to climb a mountain. And if I have to perform this task, the requirement of this task is my body should be perfect, or my body should have some fitness. Which type of fitness? Again, there is a different parameters. My heart should be strong, my heartbeat should be between 70 to 75, then my age should be between 20 to 35, my BP should be in between 80 to 120, right? My weight should be in between 60 to 70. If my weight is above 150, is it possible to me to climb a mountain like Mount Everest? No, it is not possible. So these are the some parameters on which we test our body, and if we find it is fine, or if it is fit, then we perform the respective task. So that's why quality is a fitness for use. Have you understand? If I ask the question to Sarika, have you understand the meaning of this line? Quality is a fitness for use.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me a different example which is in your mind, right? Why this line is given? Oh sir, Sarika is saying like this, or Arshada and Sania and I don't know the names of other people, Preeti, they will think that, oh sir, only on which one line you are spending too much time, we have understand all these things. Oh, it's not like that, Preeti, it's not like that. When something a line is there or theory is there is tremendous things behind it. Quality is fitness for use. Okay, I have understand the line. Yes, you have understand the line. But when I say apply this line for your, suppose you have to use your brain to crack a civil service examination, then what kind of quality is required for you? Just tell me the 5 points, Preeti.
Honesty,
Honesty,
dedication,
dedication, right?
patience,
Patience, right?
hard work.
Okay, okay, very good. Miss Preeti have understand. What Preeti has understand? Preeti has understand the fitness regarding particular problem, right? And that if we find the fitness regarding particular task, that is called as quality. That is called as quality, and the same quality factor we have to use while doing the testing, right? If the company offers me some job particular about manual testing, and we have to company said to me, or my boss said to me, test the particular function and tell me which types of bugs will occur in the future. In that case, we have to apply the concept of quality. Quality regarding different dimensions of that particular function, right? We have to apply that, and when we apply the quality concept over there, we should in position we have to create different questions on that particular task, and that questions gives us the answers about the quality. Okay, again there is some different lines you can see over here. Different lines over here you can see. Quality means delivering products that meet customer standards, either as defined by customer or defined by the normal uses or by some national or international bodies. Have you understand? Yes, we have understand. Let's see one example, and I will move to the next page. Here, meet customer standards means quality is proportional to meeting the standards of customer. Quality is proportional to meeting the standards of customers. Means what? What the customer's requirement is also comes under the quality, right? For example, you have to purchase a pen. You want to purchase a pen. Then which things comes in your mind while purchasing the pen? And that things are nothing but the requirement from your side, which is directly restricted, directly having restriction over the company to produce that kinds of pens in the market. बाबांनो ध्यानात घ्या की कंपनीला हे रिस्ट्रिक्शन बनतं. जे डिमांड तुम्ही करता, जशा ज्या रिक्वायरमेंट तुम्ही करता, आपण करतो तसं प्रोडक्ट कंपनीला बनवणं भाग असतं. व्हॉट इज दिस? अँड आवर डिमांड्स आर नथिंग बट वी कॅन टर्म इट ॲज अ क्वालिटी ओवर द प्रोडक्ट. For example, a pen, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which kinds of demands or requirements from your side? From my side, I am suggesting keep pen should have grip. Pen should have grip, right? Quality is fitness for use, na? I am demanding or I am purchasing that pen only which have a grip. Am I correct or not? बाबांनो बरोबर ना? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Grip. From your side, which is second requirement? I want the answer from your side. कोणती असेल बरे? Just tell me.
Smooth writing.
What?
Smooth writing.
Smooth writing. It means what? The ink flow should be a continuous one, right? There should be no breaks, right? A smooth writing. Then number three.
Light in weight.
Light in weight. Very good. Pen should be light in a weight. When we make such demands, that company takes and apply the quality sure on it, right? Okay. Then number 4, number 5, color is the matter. ever have you purchased a pen having color blue, yellow, then red, green, combination of this? No, we have not purchased pen like this. It's a silly thing, na? We never purchase it. So it is also one kind of quality matter over there. Okay, we are talking a very general concept regarding quality. Then again in the same line, they have also mentioned national or international bodies, right? National, international bodies means what? Government, right? Government gives some parameters to companies, and according to that, company have to play. One must try to meet customer expectation as maximum as possible. And last one, meet unanticipated future needs and aspirations of customers by understanding their business and future plans. This thing is everywhere we can see in a digital platform. The apps we use daily, like a PUBG, then Chrome, Firefox, Play Store. Over here we can find updation in every 10 days, 5 days. What is that? The company meets anticipated or unanticipated future needs of the customer, and all these things comes under quality. What we have discussed, which is summarized in this page, just read it. I think Tejal is there. Tejal, read it from downside to upside. Tejal Garud, read it and loudly.
Definition of quality.
No, what I have said from downside to upside.
Transcendent quality. Value-based definition of quality.
Yes, very good.
Product-based definition of quality.
Oh, very good.
Manufacturing-based definition of quality.
Oh, very good.
Conformance to requirements.
Okay,
Customer-based definition of quality. Fitness for use. It describes different perceptions towards
Very
quality
good.
of product.
Very good, very good. Customer based definition of quality means these are the different aspects of regarding quality is given, means the definition of quality is get changed with the different aspects, right, different issues, and which you can see over here. The definition of quality may be sometime based on product, it is based on sometimes value, right, it is based on sometimes customer, it is based on sometimes on which it is sometimes it is based. Transcendent, right? These are the some issue on which it is based, right? Okay. If we ask the if I ask the question to you, transcendent quality means what? Okay, transcendent quality means what? It is the quality which is telling about the very fine improvements in the product. Product may be YouTube, product may be WhatsApp, product may be Facebook, product may be PUBG, product may be your different apps, right? Okay. Then core components of quality, on which factor we measure the quality. Here the something which is very important. Quality is based on customer satisfaction by acquiring a product. The organization must define quality parameters before it can be achieved. By definition, measure, monitor, control, improve. These are the some important parameters. organization must define, which organization must define, right? The measure, monitor, control, improve. Okay, this is the difference between continuous improvement and continual improvement. Continuous improvement and continual improvement. What continuous improvement is saying? Continuous improvement is a dynamic in nature. The changes are done at every stage and every time to improve further. Against this difference or against this statement, continual improvement is saying that continual improvement is dynamic as well as static change management. The changes are done, absorbed, baseline and sustained before taking next step of improvements. Right? If this is the definition, of continuous improvement and continual improvement, can you give me an example with respect to any app which you are using? Keep the answer ready in your mind. Let's see a second one. Continuously starving for excellence gives a continuous improvement. Periodic improvements followed by stabilization process and substance represent continual improvement. राइट? म्हणजे मी आपल्याला सांगतो, मला तुम्ही एक्झाम्पल हवंय तुमच्याकडून. हा राइट, मला तुमच्याकडून एक्झाम्पल हवंय. याचा अर्थ मी तुम्हाला सांगतो. कंटिन्युअस इम्प्रूव्हमेंट. कंटिन्युअस इम्प्रूव्हमेंट म्हणजे ही अशी इम्प्रूव्हमेंट की जी डायनॅमिक नेचरमध्ये असते, म्हणजे कंटिन्युअसली चेंज होणारी. राइट? जसं की युवराज सिंगने मारलेला बॉल जर बाउंड्रीच्या दिशेने उंचावरून जात असेल तर बॅटला जिथे तो टच झाला तिथून निर्माण होणारा जो पॅराबोला आहे, तर बॉल ग्राउंडला टच होईपर्यंत तो जो पॅराबोला तयार होतो, तो जो कर्व मोशन तयार होते समजा, तर ते कर्व मोशन म्हणजे कंटिन्युअस इम्प्रूव्हमेंट इन द बॉल असं आपण समजू शकतो. कंटिन्युअस. आता हे डायनॅमिक नेचर आहे की नाही हे समजतंय का? एक्झाम्पल मला सांगा. प्रीती, समजतंय काय? प्रीती, आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट और नॉट?
येस सर.
बरोबर. तो बॉल जिथून सुरू झाला ते पॅराबोला, that ball having continuous motion, and that continuous motion is in dynamic nature. Dynamic means what? For every instance, for every moment, it is changing, and the same thing is applicable to software or different apps also. There is a continuous change is going on in application. It is called as continuous improvement. And continual improvement means what? Yes, the change is there, but how the changes are done? First it is get absorbed, then it is get baseline, and then it is sustained before taking next step. म्हणजे सांगू का? कसं सांगू का? तेजल उदाहरण सांगू का तुला सांगता येईल एखादं उदाहरण? कॅन यू टेल मी अ एक्झाम्पल? हॅलो तेजल.
येस सर.
तुला येईल सांगता उदाहरण याचं? कंटिन्युअल इम्प्रूव्हमेंट म्हणजे काय? Continual improvement is in periodic improvement nature. It's showing some periodic improvements kinds of nature. Continuous? No, it is not periodic. It is continuously going on. सांगू का? हे बघा, मी आपल्या भाषेत सांगतो. कंटिन्युअल इम्प्रूव्हमेंट. आता वाघ असतो बघा, वाघ, बरोबर ना? ऐकताय का? मीच आपलं बडबडतोय. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लेम. वाघ असतो बघा, चालत असतो. थोड्या वेळ काय करतो? खाली बसतो, इकडे तिकडे बघतो. राईट? स्टेबल होतो. काही गोष्टी ॲब्झॉर्ब करतो. काय ॲब्झॉर्ब करतो? तो इकडे तिकडे बघून अवलोकन करतो. हां, काही गडबडायचं काम नाही. थोडा वेळ झाला, 2 मिनटं 5 मिनटं वाजला की परत चालायला सुरुवात करतो. ओके, इम्प्रूव्हमेंट त्याची जी मोशनमधली आहे ती आहे ना, इट इज ऑन, बट इट इज नॉट कंटिन्युअस, इट इज कंटिन्युअल. बिकॉज ॲट सम मोमेंट it absorbs the some things, think over it, then do some baseline activity and then start to move, right? So that's why it is called as dynamic as well as static. Continual improvement is dynamic as well as static. Okay, and continuous, it is a continuous improvement. Environment is continuously changed. Environment is continuously changed. Here the line is given. Changes in environment are followed by stabilization. Okay, म्हणजे बाबा आता 4 महिने पावसाळा आहे ना, मग 4 महिन्यानंतर काय येईल बाबा? हिवाळा येईल ना. There is a rainy season for this 4 months ना. After this 4 months, we know that the change happens in the environment. But when the change happens in the environment, after stabilizing this 4 months of rainy season, then the winter comes. This is continual improvement. Continual. This is continual. Okay, continuous, it is continuously changing. Okay. Quality view. There is a one topic given in your syllabus, quality view, right? Stakeholders are the people or entities interested in success or failure of project or product or organization, and always it is applicable to stakeholders. They always are interested in success and failure, because success and failure of project, product or organization is directly proportional to the stakeholders, because they have invested their efforts over there. So the quality is get viewed in different angles, right? Quality is get viewed by customer, then supplier, employee, management, society, government. These are the different kinds of quality views. म्हणजे असं नाही बाबा की क्वालिटी फक्त कस्टमरच्या व्ह्यूनीच बघितली जाते. नो, क्वालिटी इज ऑल्सो व्ह्यूड फ्रॉम सप्लायर साइड ऑल्सो, राइट? फ्रॉम सप्लायर साइड ऑल्सो. कॅन आय गिव्ह यू एक्झाम्पल? मी एक्झाम्पल देऊ? येस, द एक्झाम्पल फ्रॉम माय साइड इज quality issue is also get discussed in the core management of Colgate company, right? Colgate. That's why they have launched their new Colgate with the name Ved Colgate, right? Means quality view is get observed, studied from which point? From supplier point. Quality view is also exercised from which angle? Employee angle also. If I ask the question to you, if quality view is get observed or exercised from society angle, then tell me examples of society view of quality. Society view of quality. Justin is there? Justin, Salman, Kartika, who is there? All of you are there? Okay, who is there? No one? Just give me example. I am understanding that we are practicing a two-way communication. From my side, my perception is like this. We are practicing, we are doing all these things in two-way communication. Am I? If I am correct, then please tell me, anyone from your side. Quality view with respect to society.
Society maintenance.
What? Yes, what?
Society maintenance.
Not audible. You
Society.
again not audible. Please speak loudly. Okay, no problem. From my side, this is the homework for you. Write it down. Five different examples of quality view with respect to customer, supplier, employee, management, society, and government. Right? And please submit it on classroom as a homework number 1 tagline. It is not assignment or not test, but please submit this one in your Google Classroom, right, with homework number 1. We will discuss the remaining things of our unit number 1 in tomorrow's lecture. Okay, here we wind up. Thank you.